This video is showing you how to fix your mouse problem. First, go to device manager, click on device manager, then choose mice and other pointing service, extend this, and then choose your device drive and go to properties and click driver tab and update your driver. Okay, search automatically by online. If it doesn't work, please follow my next step. Next step is update by manually, and let me pick up from list available. And next. Okay, if you, I think your problem is solved. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.